What's up, welcome back to another video. As you can tell from the title today, I am going to be doing a dark feminine makeup look for you guys today. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. It's technically just like the one I did, kind of like the one I did, but I'm going to try to tone it down just a little bit. I'm going to try to go for more of a, I think more of a cat eye, but yeah, I'll see. So let's get into this video. Okay, first thing first is that I have a glueless wig, but I'm going to glue her down because I think I want to have her on for a little bit longer than usual. So yeah, so my head under this looks like we're gonna I don't really have to do anything but just put down my edges. So this time I'm using a little bit of Got2b glue. So now I'm going to go in with some actual edge stuff. I'm just gonna push them back. Now, one thing I do not know how to do is that wig cap method, so I don't do it because I don't know how to. So I really just try to, oh, there's a hole in it, but I really just try to keep it really tight. Oh, my hair coming out in the back. I just try to keep it tight. See, my edge is already coming out. They just don't want to listen to me. I try to get them really tight and I put this on them and try to slide it back. See, this is where I want my wig to be laid at. Again, this wig is a glueless wig, so you do not necessarily have to glue this wig down. I've done this wig so many times and where I haven't glued it down. I like it. But just for right now, I think it'd be better if I did. A little bend on it. And then boom. Make sure you get all of that. And she's glueless and everything, so. And she tight. Jesus, she is tight on my head. Oh, those are my edges. Oh, no, those are those edges. Okay. Let's try to fix you. And okay. Right now, all I'm going to do is just clip off the place where I'm going to get glue. Now, you can see right here that I won't be... Ooh, this is going to get on my nerves. Because it's making my ear... Hold on, I'm going to try to loosen her up. Okay, we're not going to cut nothing. She's a little bit better. So now I'm going to do is put her up and out of the way, so I can glue her down. And okay, now what I'm going to do is, I'm going with some Gorilla Snot. I do not have my deodorant with me. It's not deodorant, it's like a wax stick. I call it with hair deodorant because that's what it looks like. I do not have that on me, so this is what I will be doing to make sure that when I glue her down, none of the hair will be in the way, you know? So now that we pushed all that back, now it's time to get to the gluing part. I'm going to use, I think it's called Ghost Bond or Ghost Bond, something like that. That's what I'm going to be using. And don't put it directly, don't just put it directly on your hand, put it on your head. So I'm just going to put it on my rat tone comb first. I'm just going to put it where I want it to go. Now I cleaned off my comb and everything, but now I'm just gonna pick her up and just sit her down right on that glue. I'm gonna go in with my little comb. And then I'm gonna go in with this lace thing, this New York Wonder Lace Bond spray. Again, I'm not gonna spray it directly on my lace. That's how you get it to lift up. I sprayed on the counter. Then I'm just gonna go back in there. Oops, excuse me. Wig band, and I'm gonna put this right on this teeny thing of a lace. If these flyaways move, we do not want that. So we know she got a little part here. So I'm gonna clean her up. I'm gonna go with my hot comb. Any deodorant or nothing, so I'm just gonna go back in with some Gorilla Snot, and I'm just gonna so I don't want her straight. That's what I do not want. I'm just gonna cut this baby in half, keep this over here in this half. Not there yet, but it's going up there fast. Look at that. This is the fastest curling iron I know. It don't play. And we're here. And then it turns blue. So now what we're gonna do is pray that we don't burn ourselves. And then we gotta go in. Cause I can't see. Let it go. And I did absolutely nothing. It didn't do anything, but it's better than what I had I pray this turns out good, because if not, I'm going to have to straighten her out. One thing I do not like is hair in my face, but for so far, all these looks, I've been having hair in my face, but I gotta get it out of my face so I can actually fix this. Okay, now where is it? Here it is. So all I didn't do, this is all you need right here. You still need some lace blonde remover. And you just need to go in there and just clean it up a bit. Because they're here. See, I just don't know how to do them, so I think I'm gonna try. Okay, now it's time to do the makeup. I got her all situated a little bit to my best ability. I'll put the band back on there, but I'm gonna have to take it right back off because it's in the way. This is something that you can wear out like on a daily basis as well. Okay, so we just went in with some primer, and then I moisturize with some Dove. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go with my moisturizing foundation in my little mixing pot. Then I'm gonna mix that with Fenty Beauty. It's too dark for me, so that's why I mix it, because the other one is too light. So can't win or lose. So you gotta get creative out here. I don't expect that to be perfect, so you're always going to go in with a sponge. And now this is what I want to make my makeup be more matte. Actually, we're going to do this in a second because we want to make sure that our eyes are very much even, so some energy start coming in. Trying to do is to stay on that waterline. Again, if you want to buff it out, you can. But I'm not really trying to give mine an excuse to really smudge. Whew. And now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, now it's time to contour. So I'm just gonna put some dabs here and some dabs here. And then I'm gonna get my little brush. And I'm going to go here. And there with it. And there with it. And this is actually concealer that I'm using. I'm gonna go with this brush and I'm just gonna pat it where I usually put it at. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna go in with some powder. While we let this sit, we're gonna be doing our eyelashes. This is the volumizing one. And then this one is the lengthy one. Okay, I put my lashes on and everything. Now I'm just gonna take off this powder. Now it is time for our blush. I already got some on my brush already. Time for lips. This is the finished look and everything, the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Yeah, and thank you for watching. And don't forget to comment. Bye.